Banking the crypto industry. By Kumar Gaurav, Cashaa.
So good evening, everyone. So it's wonderful to see that now Dubai is becoming a crypto hub. And that made also us to come to the UAE and Dubai. So Cashaa, we are known for banking the crypto industry because we've been a B2B player for the crypto industry from quite a long time. We started in 2016 as a money transfer company. Maybe not here, many who were in crypto in 2016. But by 2019, we evolved as a business banking solution for the crypto industry. And in these 2 years, I don't know how many of you are in the crypto from very early stage. Let's me take this. During the early days, when you say the word crypto, the regulators, the compliance, and mostly the banks, they will see you as a big scammer, right? The word Bitcoin is very much related with the word scam, Ponzi. And you cannot blame them because it was so early stage that many of the financial institutions regulated that didn't understand what is the business model of a Bitcoin. And that's how it's all the challenge started. And then the early adopters have to struggle for this. Today, maybe we have a big banks coming and onboarding crypto companies or providing solution, but still there is a stigma. But those early days where I remember when the Kraken was starting up in Europe, we had a lot of new companies in Europe, they were starting up and struggling to get the bank accounts. So we said, why not just have a money transfer platform? Let's evolve completely as a banking platform. And today we became, in 2021, one of the biggest community of crypto businesses. We bank over more than 400 crypto businesses, having over a deposit of $1 billion, 21 national currencies, and a banking partner across many different continents. And you can say this, after bank, and it's not only we help the small companies, but to some of the early adopters in crypto, some of the brands you can see here. Obviously, these brands today, one of the huge brands in the crypto industry from we have some logos here. And not only logos, I was surprised when I walked in here and I saw a lot of our customers' booths here. One of there is just in front of me. It says Globinance. We have TDFi, I think, written on top of my head. So it's really nice to see that our customers are now present almost every corner or every event in the crypto industry. But we being B2B banker, we were always been the infrastructure. Now after banking over these 400 crypto giants, we decided to come with the personal accounts, with the personal products for the everyday crypto users. We already started issuing the personal accounts in India. It's called with the brand name called Unicash. It's India's first, you can say, semi-regulated institutions where you can walk in actually into the physical branches. There are already 3 operational branches in India and 3 are under construction where you can go, you can take all the banking facilities like any other regular bank, but you can also deal in cryptocurrencies and without being judged, because that's what we started with. Not only in India, I think slowly as we are growing, the personal accounts will be issued across the globe. So I think we are already making live in entire Europe. We have avoided UK at the moment, but if you are anywhere else in the world other than UK and US, you can get the personal accounts. We don't have them slides here mentioning that. It's mostly mentioned about India because it was very cool to do having a whole crypto bank where you can walk into the bank, you can go to the website and you can see how it is operating there, people going with the cash and also transacting in cash. India is one of the market where government decided as much as to increase digital adoption, but I think every step, today India have one of the even more higher currency circulation than it was in the past. So with this promise, we are building Unicash in India. It's a pure personal brand. It's not like Cashaa Global, which is only dealing with businesses. We have these 3 operational branches in Delhi and 3 more under construction. With this, we are also now looking forward to come to the Middle East. We have already the license application going with some of the regulators here to see that what are the opportunities which we can create. But what we want to do is now in 2022 to take all our collective strength which we have with these hundreds of crypto companies which we are banking and see that what benefits this can give to create the mass adoption when it comes to the crypto product. With this, I rest my speech, but if you have any questions, you can ask me. I always like to take more questions from the people and answer them. Any questions? No questions, okay. So I think I just have to promote one of our customers. Okay, George, you can ask a question. No questions? Okay, so I think if there is no questions, I rest my speech. You can find a lot of startups here who are using us. You can go to our website, Cashaa.com, and you can see all other products which we have for the crypto startups. We just released a product also for the crypto startup, which is a completely free banking solution. If you are a small startup in crypto, you don't have to pay any fees. You grow, and we support your infrastructure, mostly in United States dollar, where there is no fixed fees if you are a small startup who is just starting with an innovative idea. With this, I rest my speech. Thank you so much.